Who knows the way, goes the way, shows the way by John Maxwell. A very good afternoon, dear teachers, students, and the council members. A warm welcome to the 24 and 25 investiture ceremony. The investiture ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skills and abilities of our students, and it is the most prestigious ceremony in the schedule of Scottish Academy. The investiture ceremony for the 24 and 25 marks the significance of beginning of new academic session. The selection process was very tough. The process gone through character, all-round development and communication skills of students. My heartiest congratulations to all the members of the Student Council who have been nominated by the body of teachers, who have shown you, seen, transform and grow over the year. It is essential for you to understand why you are among chosen ones. The responsibilities that you have to assume as a student council members and the aspirations we have for you. Today, the newly elected council members are all prepared to draw the mantle, their leadership and discharge the responsibilities entrusted upon them. Students, you are the visionaries and thought bearers of tomorrow. Being a student council member will help you to develop leadership qualities and working together as a team for all-round development of the school and above all excel in academics too. Remember, the future belongs to those who are educated, updated, skilled and prepared to meet the challenges and opportunities of tomorrow. The challenge for each of you as leaders is to be strong but not weak. Be kind but not rude. Be bold but not bully. Be thoughtful but not lazy. Be humble but not timid. Be proud but not arrogant. Have humorous but not foolishness. I would like to each one of you to remember 4 things. Have an ambition. Set goals that you want to achieve. Have a passion and enjoy what you do. Be a lifelong learner. Always have curiosity. Lastly, remember, as a leader, help other rights that create more leaders. I would like to convey, please consider the purpose of your role as a school leader to be an exciting journey towards self-discovery, towards enlightenment, and towards a better future. Possibilities are unlimited. Please keep this in mind. I promise you, you have fantastic life and outstanding bright future. Once again, congratulations to the young leaders of Scottish Academy, where there is a honor of discipline. I wish all every success and focus on doing good work and make a positive difference in the lives of people around you. These profound words were once shared by American entrepreneur, author, and motivation speaker Jim Rohn. The actions you perform as leaders will inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. Be better student in the school, in the life journey. And thank you so much. And once again, congratulations for the newly elected student council. Thank you.